Yes, class. We will see exercise 1.1. Right? The first sum is which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. So let me discuss the first part. The first part says collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. So what are the names which are beginning with the letter J? January, then June, then July, right? That's it. So there are 3 months, and each month, when I look at each and every name here, it is the name of the month. Second thing, every name is starting with the letter J. So it implies that the given collection of all the months which are starting with the letter J, it is forming a set. We will say it is a set. Justify, we will say because every name is a month's name starting with J letter, starting with J letter. So this is how you will do the sums. The first sum, all the 9 parts are there. If I look at fourth part, the collection of all boys in your class. Now, the collection of all boys in the class, so you can write down the names of the boys, and when you look at that collection, what will happen? Every child or every name will be belonging to the same class, right? And the second condition, the second criteria is also being fulfilled. Every name is the name of a boy. So again it will be the collection, well defined collection. So yes, it is forming a set. And sixth part, a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. When you list all the novels, right, I'm not asking you to search the names of the novels. It's general thing. When I list all the novels of one particular author or writer Munshi Premchand, what will happen? We will be having the names of those novels only which are written by Munshi Premchand. So the criteria will be fulfilled. So we will say yes, it is a set. So how will we write down? In the sixth part, we will say yes, it is a set because every novel will be written by the same writer, Munshi Premchand. Right? So same way you can complete your sum number 1. Sum number 2, it is a set is given. The set is having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have to insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or doesn't belong in the given space. If the first part I looked, it is given 4 dash A. Now 4, it is present in A, so we will put the symbol belongs to. And the sixth part where it is given 10 dash A. Now 10, does it present or is it present in the set A? It is not present in set A, so 10, it does not belong to A. This is how you will do the remaining 4 parts of sum number 2, right? Third sum, we have to write down the sets in the roster form. Roster form means we have to list all the elements where the set is given in the set builder form. A part is given A set all x, where x is an integer, and what is given -3 less than x less than 7. So we have to write down all the integers which are lying between -3 and 7. It is less than sign, that means -3 and 7 will not be included. So the roster form will be then after -3, what will be the integer? It will be -2, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will not come because we have to list all the integers less than 7 but greater than -3, right? So this is how we will list the elements, right? So this is called the conversion of set builder form into the roster form, right? And likewise sub B part, second part is all the x is a natural number less than 6. So what are the natural numbers less than 6? Natural numbers start with 1, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Till 5 we will write down. Clear? I'm doing one more part, fifth part. Fifth part is given E set, and it is given the set of all letters of the word trigonometry. Right, all the letters of the word trigonometry. So when I have to list what are the letters coming, T, R, I, G, O, N. O is coming twice, but remember, whenever we write down the set in the roster form, the elements will come once only. We cannot repeat the same element here, so every element will be written once. O has come, so once again O is coming, we will not write down, so the next will be M, then E is there, T coming, T already written, we will not write, R already written, we will not write, and the last letter will be Y. Remember, when you are writing the set, elements will come once, there will be no repetition of the elements, because you are writing the element, whether it is coming once or twice or 10 times, it will be written once only when you are listing the elements. Clear? So you people can do sum number 3 also, and sum number 4. Write the following set in the set builder form. Set builder form, that means now in the first part, if you look, it is given 3, then 6, then 9 and 12. We have to write down it in the set builder form. If I say this is set A, then the set builder form. Now you have to think of what is the property of all these elements. 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4, 12. That means we are actually having here the multiples of a number 3. How will we write down then? I can write down all x, where x is equal to what? 3n, right? And what is n? N is either you write down 1, 2, 3 or 4. You write down this way, or if I write down it further in a systematic way, then I would prefer all x is equals to 3n, where n is a natural number, n is a natural number and n is less than 5. Okay, n is a natural number, so natural number will start with 1. It is less than 5. We are having the first 4 multiples of 3 only. 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. So I can write down this form also, right? You can say this also, or in place of this, if you want, you can write down this also. We will write down where 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. That is also correct. N is taking all the values between 1 and 4, including 1 and 4, right? So this thing is clear. So I hope the method is clear, how we are converting the set builder form into roster form, and then how we are converting the roster form into set builder form. Clear? You try to do your exercise, and if any doubt is there, you can ask the doubts in the group. Don't use any help book to do the exercise. Try to do it on your own. It is perfectly okay. How many doubts are there? No problem. But try to do it on your own. So you can complete your exercise 1.1. It is simple, right? Once you understand the concept, you will enjoy this. Okay. So I hope you will complete it. Thank you, children.